Welcome to the CIA. Earlier we talked about what it felt like to be shot like an airsoft gun. Well, I'm going to show you firsthand what it feels like. I'm going to let my compatriot here shoot me with an airsoft gun from close range in the chest, multiple rounds on full auto. And I will immediately relay how it feels when it happens. So, sit back and enjoy the show. Woo! Like a brief pinch. Okay. Ouch! So maybe that did hurt a little bit. But depending on what kind of clothing you're wearing, sometimes you don't even feel the BB. If you get hit in the mask or the gun, you're not even going to feel it. So that's why integrity is so important. A lot of times you hear the BB instead of feeling it. But that ends our short FAQ on what does it feel like to be shot by an airsoft gun.